Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our term 1 chapter 3, that is civilization and cities. This chapter is of term 1. This we are going to do this time, but only we have to do this chapter. Don't learn this chapter now. Learn only UT1 chapters. That syllabus you have already got. So this chapter 3 is civilization and cities. In this the big idea we will see. First topic is unveiling of Harappa. Unveiling means removal of covering from a new monument or work of art. So here unveiling means removal of cover, that is removal of the mystery, what happened that time, how the people lived at that time and how they work, whatever. So unveiling of Harappa, first topic. Second topic is extent and features of the Harappan civilization. Next topic, life of the people during Harappan times. And then Lothal dockyard. Lothal is a place, and then dockyard I will tell you later on. Then case study of Bhirana and Haryana. Then next, decline of the civilization. Decline means how this civilization came to an end. So what were the reasons behind this decline? So here the history maker is R.D. Banerjee. You can see this picture. R.D. Banerjee, the history maker. R.D. Banerjee, also known as Rakhaldas Bandyopadhyay, was a pioneer in Indian archaeology. Pioneer means a person who is among the first to explore a new country or area. So R.D. Banerjee, that is known as the pioneer in Indian archaeology. He discovered the site of Mohenjo-daro while unearthing pre-Buddhist artifacts. These discoveries played a significant role in establishing the existence of the Indus Valley civilization. So he was the main person and he is known as the pioneer in Indian archaeology. And now downside you can see Mohenjo-daro. Picture is giving at the background, and then at a glance we can see the flow chart of the chapter. Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. Indus Valley civilization, why it is called Indus Valley civilization? Because it was settled on the banks of the river Indus, and it is also known as Harappan civilizations. Discovery of the civilization, how the civilization discovered. Discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in 1920 and 1921. We will see in this chapter. Harappa viewed as the type site. Type site means a site where objects or materials regarded as defining the characteristics of a period were found. So it became a type site where all the materials and all the things were found, and we came to know about this period. Next is features of the civilization. What were the features? Grid pattern, layout of the residential area. Grid pattern, that we will see what is the meaning of grid pattern. Well planned drainage system, it is the main point. Well planned drainage system was there in this during this civilization. Existence of different social and political groups, and there we archaeologists have found some evidences for the existence of different social and political groups. Next point is decline of the civilization. How the civilization declined, how it came to an end. Declined over a period of time, natural calamities and or foreign invasions. So decline may be by natural calamities like flood or as any epidemic or earthquake or anything, or foreign invasions. The people came from foreign countries and invaded this area. So maybe any reason. So we will learn about all these things in this chapter. The main person you have to see this R.D. Banerjee.